Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a drone tour of the Whitehouse Beach Club in Westmoreland. Now as you know, a highway is coming from St. Elizabeth to Negril. So it's going to go through Whitehouse. And chances are Whitehouse is going to have an exit. So you can actually drive from Kingston to Negril on a highway, and you can drive from Montego Bay to Negril on a highway. Now we're talking a highway like you would find in a first world country. Very top-notch highway. The toll roads in Jamaica. So Whitehouse is seeing a lot of developments, and this is one. This is a luxury development, 144 villa units. Very nice development. This is a massive property and it overlooks the sea. Now, one thing I've noticed about Jamaica is Jamaica has some of the nicest beaches. Like Redding out in Montego Bay, you wouldn't know out there is so beautiful until you fly the drone. And luxury developments are going out there. This area, Whitehouse, beautiful. But you don't really see it from the road. You have to, like when you fly the drone, you see it. But there's a hotel out here, Sandals South Coast. Massive hotel. And obviously they built the hotel out here because of the beach. Now it's not called Sandals Whitehouse because there is a Sandals Whitehouse in Montego Bay by the airport. So this one is called Sandals South Coast. But this development, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this development. Whitehouse Beach Club is a luxurious gated community located in Whitehouse, Westmoreland, on Jamaica's scenic south coast. This development offers an array of modern residences, including 144 units, each situated on approximately a quarter-acre lot with ocean views. Prospective homeowners can choose from 6 contemporary designs, each featuring 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a powder room, spanning 2,600 square feet of thoughtfully crafted living space. Interiors boast formal dining rooms, expansive great rooms, and state-of-the-art kitchens equipped with granite countertops, large center islands, and sleek cabinetry. Residents of Whitehouse Beach Club enjoy a host of premium amenities designed to enhance a resort-style living experience. These include a private beach park, on-site beach access, a gym, hard-surface tennis courts, a swimming pool, and a restaurant. The community is strategically positioned to offer both tranquility and convenience, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a dream home, vacation retreat, or investment property. Upon completion, the development aims to transform into a resort destination, allowing vacationers to experience the best of Jamaica beyond the traditional all-inclusive hotel model. This vision underscores a commitment to providing a harmonious blend of luxury, comfort, and authentic Jamaican charm. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.